everyone, this is Mama Moto again. Welcome back to the final process of the detoxification process. You remember we say do not throw your pineapple away. We stopped at the last process of boiling the pineapple. We left it for 10 minutes and that's where we stopped. Now I'm going to guide you through what we're going to do next. Now, this is your pineapple skin drink. You can now store it in the fridge up to 2 to 3 weeks. So you can have half a glass or 1 glass every day for the next 2 weeks. And I hope you enjoyed this drink and I hope it detox you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and like and share.